I sing is worth more than all the good women who are, and I love her more than anything in the world by far. So may God give me her love without deceiving, for such desire I have and such a willing, so much or more, God knows the truth of it. As the sick man desires health and benefit, I desire her and her love's receiving. Nothing can be worth so much as she of whom I have so sung. Now I have seen her and her beauty among, and I know well that she has so much valor that I must do both outrage and folly's error to love so high, though it would avail me not. Nonetheless, many a poor knight has got through a rich heart to rise to high honor. Before I was seized by this love's own power, I knew well how to counsel other folk, and now I know well how to teach another's yoke. And yet I know not how to play my own game. I am like him who at chess sees clear the same, and who teaches other men right well, but when he plays he loses his sense of spell, so that he cannot protect himself from mate's shame. Alas, sorrowing, I know not how to sing enough, that my lady might perceive my torment's sting. Nor yet is my boldness so great a thing that I dare tell her the ills that I endure, nor before her do I dare speak, nor am I sure, and when I am elsewhere before another's view,
Still, I think up ways to tell her what I have in mind. Still, I think up ways to tell her what I have in mind.
it goes with me as with a champion who has long practiced fighting in arms, and when he comes